Here's a bid and ask. 605 by 610. This is on Google. It's a $5 bid and ask. And let me tell you, I am here to teach you how to steal that bid. And then, as a market maker that you'll be trained to be, you'll learn how to sell back over on the ask and get the public to buy it from you. That's what we do here. And it's pre-market, and I'm teaching the MMTs that price volatility was going to increase, and you would see it here first in the bid and the ask and a lot of these big names such as Google. Does the public know how to handle that bid and ask? I rather think not, because I know they don't. They look at that number, oh my goodness, what am I going to do? Well, I'm going to steal the bid. Then I'm going to sell it back. So I'm going to be putting that $600 call back in the spotlight right here that popped up. And once again, I had a 620 put burning, and how Apple and Google, this Google and this Apple, but look at the difference between the bid and the ask. And how do you sucker those people to throw you that bid, and then we'll teach you how to sell the ask in pre-market. So what do I do with wide bid and ask in here? Mr. So-and-so. What do they do? There's a way to trade it. There's a way to make money from it. And I'll let you know this. The public does not know how to deal with that bid and ask. And you can even ask yourself right now. This is live in pre-market. So when you're going to learn to be a market maker, you're going to have to deal with that bid and that ask. And you're going to have to know how to steal it and then sell it. And where's those support levels? Because when you come down and hit this support level and they bring that $600 call down, you're going to want to get on that transaction. So far, this name has refused to break below 600. And it's traded up the other day to 614 and some change. And every time they pull the name back, they take it off to the right side and keep pumping that up about 5 teenies. Yesterday it was in a mathematical price script, and it was very accurate within the name. And trading huge volume, there's that 620, here's that 615 put that we were trading. That thing was marked down. So what we're going to do is learn how they mark the option prices with that bid and ask in the equity. See how wide that is? It was $5 a moment ago. Now how does this bid and that ask, that's that spread now. And when it's $3 spread, how is that going to open these contracts on the opening bell? Okay? And one of the things we're going to be mindful of is that we'll put the call, the weekly, back in here. So here's a 600, but also let's take a look at that 605. That was up $2.20. So in the weekly expiration, we've had more upside days in the calls than the puts. Now, every time Google hits support, it bounces in price action and it takes off in a script to the upside. So when the calls pull back from their original highs, they're worth buying. And when you get rock bottom wholesale over here at these price levels, here's that 615 right here, and it's cheap right now still from yesterday. Okay, 1,900 contracts traded on that 615 put intraday. Wide bid and ask. How do I execute? Sign up and find out.